Sizoyiveza lesikhathi igerilla ngoba ibalekile emzabalazweni. I think uComrade Msizi mayiveza umkhonto wesizwe noma uComrade Mthaka ukuthi it's a militant organization. So in military isikhathi siyi-basics of doing anything. Uma kade sithi siyoxhuma imishini ethize ngo-10 or ngo-11 then wena ufike ngo-4:30 it means leyo mission isifeyile because asazi noma uza namaphoyisa yini siyabhuya impilo. So kumele siqale sizipractice manje lezi zinto sokuthi we must be disciplined in the start because we cannot be saying we are inspired by Ibrahim Traore. Those are soldiers, they are very disciplined. So iqala nje kulento wesikhathi qala mhlawumbe ngidlulele phambili. I think itopic yanamhlanje ibaluleke kakhulu but ngizokusho nje lokho without any fear of contradictions. Akukho engisakutholile okuphathekayo in terms of how should we as the MK Youth play our role umkhonto wesizwe party and in society in general. Ngicabanga ukuthi bekumele kugxilwe kakhulu kulelo point. Mhlambe one of the things Comrade Nobhala esibulalayo ukuthi young people are still depoliticized. Therefore ibona kumele ngabe bala phambili telling us as young people what should happen. Not all Comrade Msizi, all Comrade Msizi badala. And whenever they talk, they will talk about the MKP politics, not the MK politics. Problem number one. Mhlawumbe uComrade Mthaka uyivezile leyo ukuthi whenever we conduct programs or we conceptualize our programs, we must look at the lived realities. Also, no Comrade Deputy President of the MKSM uyivezile. We must look at the lived realities and conditions of our people. We cannot just come with programs and corresponding to the conditions and realities of our people. Now, in Doiti, we have high rate of unemployment. We have high rate of teenage pregnancy. We have high rate of drug abuse and alcohol abuse. What are we doing in responding to those issues? What are the programs in place as the MK Youth League that we are formalizing or we are conceptualizing and convening in terms of responding to these challenges? I think we vezile kancane Comrade Msizi, and I'm very happy because bengiyinotile phansi. Kune-comrade elike laveza ukuthi as politicians we shouldn't be. Comrades, we are not politicians. We are revolutionaries because politicians are very dishonest. This is why this country is namhlanje. It's because of politicians. Second, our politicians, they are very divisive. This is why today umkhonto wesizwe region we have this problem because our politicians, they are infiltrating the revolution of umkhonto wesizwe. Hey, they are greedy. Our politicians. Therefore, we cannot advance any meaningful program with politicians. We need revolutionaries who are ideologically grounded, who are disciplined, who are honest, and guided by true love, black love for our people. Because I think Comrade Greens, Che Guevara emphasizes this point. A revolutionary must always be guided by love. The minute we lose uthando for the struggle in our people, we then become clowns. We then become pompous and celebrities. I think it's one of the things ex-Omele call it out that in particular with MK Youth League. I'm not saying you are doing it, comrades, but we must not become celebrities. We're in a revolution here. We're in a struggle. This thing of posturing and coming as celebrities, we're not going to tolerate it. I'm moving, comrades. I think in Zoyabu Comrade, just to add, Comrade Mtuza, because he raised in 1976. I would just like to add to avoid in later cities and a historical miscarriage. Because as young people, we must always be educated. When you speak of 1976, in demonstration, no, my resolution there 16 June 1976, or what we call the student uprising or demonstrations. It was taken on the 13th of April in 1976 at Orlando Donaldson Community Hall, where T.A. Machinini was appointed the chairperson of the Soweto Student Representative Council. So I'm trying to avoid the historical miscarriage. Suppose also Comrade Mtuza may shake in Alapaya, or when you say concluded with 1976 organ. So therefore, we are trying to contribute. We are not saying the issue of Comrade Ayiko, but we are contributing a point in that so that we will be clean. Give you education. I think Comrade of the MKSM, Sisadala. Sisadala, ask the MK Youth League and the SM. Sisadala, ask ready to shoot to see confront the system because it cannot be. Ushiru Comrade the Shalaway Youth League with Zikezelwaning Alexanis for say Kogisoma informed to us school. Whereas you know what currently this education is westernized and Eurocentric. And the theater machine raises this point in 1976 after the massacre. He says the black student in South Africa is being domesticated to become a better tool for the white man when he joins the working community. Ngifuna ukulinka nande le point. Bengifisa ukulinka ne point eshow Comrade Mthaba ukuthi we must then respond to the issue of unemployment. But I say, if we respond to the issue of unemployment, Comrade Pinto, we must then realize ukuthi currently the wage labor market is very exploitative and capitalistic. In fact, you understand ukuthi the people who are working today, the so-called working class, they are the ones who are subject to our antidepressant pills. They are the people who buy our antidepressant pills. Why? Because of the economic system or the wage labor market system, which overworks them and underpays them. Why impilo ibiza? So as the Youth League, when we speak about the issue of unemployment, we must then be able to imagine or reimagine employment outside the wage labor or capitalistic relations and equal power relations. So we must be able to respond to that. Benzo respond to Comrade Mthaba because I think Comrade Mthaba nama points amaningi our resident bengifisa bekhona so that maybe we would have posed some other questions. Unfortunately, again, so we can't. But maybe in closing, sengizoyanga sekuvaleni. Comrade Mthaba ubuze ukuthi what are the programs abheke kwama high school nakuma primary. Now my question is to the MK Youth League, in particular in this region, maybe the province will also come in. What are we doing in trying to conscientize, in trying to capture, because we must capture those young ones, the MK teens. The MK teens have presented a new opportunity and possibility for us as the MK Youth League to be able to have ingane encane emva kwethu esizosigruma siziconscientize so that way nakhabazela mawusuphuma nje usuzophuma nje u30 years obani kuzomela bazolika. It cannot be comrade. No, comrades, please, can you cut the point? But what I'm trying to say, comrades, the MK teens have provided us with a new opportunity to be able to organize laying down to politics in time. Because the problem is, within the ANC, so what's an example now, the ANC has 3 leagues that are responsible for organizing young people. We have ICOSAS, which is focused on basic education. It's focused on the high school and primary students. We have USASCO, who is there in tertiary. We have the MK Youth League in society. So Tina is the MK part in the MK Youth League and SM. Who do we have? There is pushing programs of focusing. Who let us say primary and say high school. Because, comrades, young people or the teenagers are the most fertile soil to plant a revolutionary and progressive ideology and consciousness. Because Tina Spadala says nama interest, but the Zaynganas nama interest. They just want to see change. It cannot be comrades who are going to feel threatened by ingane, of which you should be sitting down with the Zoyingane, since politique, to say, comrades, you are not a separate structure or a separate league from the revolution of the MK Youth League. You are part of us, but now you should have programs that are focused there on our students, that's a high school and private, because you won't never food in high school. A well-known scholar who is called Mputlane Wabafelo once said, we must not think that we are the best people to organize people. Because people are already organized. It's just that we need to realize we are organized and then we go to those spaces and then we conscientize and politicize them. Maybe in closing, comrades, I would like to dispute. I know, comrade, you can't subject me to that thing. You didn't call it. Yeah, don't intimidate me. But I think Umbulazi will be second, but in fellow parties. Because Umbulazi says, okay, Umbulazi, he says, we must not focus on Marxism. And I think that is very dangerous for the revolution. You cannot tell us not to focus on revolutionary theory. Because any war that negates the importance of revolutionary theory is a dangerous war. Because scientific theory makes us understand how society is organized and structured. And therefore, it gives us an opportunity to be able to respond accordingly and progressively. So we cannot be standing on podiums and say we must not engage ourselves in revolutionary theory. That is very disingenuous and very apolitical. So Telanis Party said, now we are a different youth league. A youth league that is very much interested in revolutionary theory, but that theory goes with revolutionary practice. Yes. Because those two go hand in hand. So yes, we are not saying we must focus on theories. We must focus on practice, but that theory must be revolutionary. As I close, comrades, we are very happy for this program. We wish for it to continue. But let it not be an event. Let it be a political class, a proper political class, where we are not going to be limited in terms of time. If it means so be it. Comrades are going to address the national question of the stomach. Then we'll continue with the program. In this way.